Hello and welcome to 11 Plus DIY, a tutorial in verbal reasoning, how to solve the VR Type 19 questions. The aim of these questions is to find the relationship between the first two sets and then apply a sub-relationship to find the correct answer in the third group. For example, in the following question, the answer in the third group must relate to the other two in the same way. We need to find the missing number. So let's have a look at this question in more detail. We have the same question. Now we're going to look at some of the most common solutions in solving this. And these are the easy ones, and these are the ones you should try first. We could subtract the numbers on either side. 12 minus 5, well, that equals 7, or we could say 5 minus 12. They don't equal 17. We don't move on to the second group until we can prove the answer works for the first group. We could multiply the numbers on either side. 12 times 5 equals 60, not 17. Again, we don't move on to the second group. We could divide the numbers on either side. 12 divided by 5, well, that equals 2.4, or we could 5 divided by 12, and that does not equal 17 either. We could add the numbers on either side. 12 plus 5, well, that equals 17. So let's move on to the second group and try that. 12 plus 4 equals 16. That seems to work. So, using our same add solution, we could say 10 plus 12 equals 22. And that is the answer. 12 plus 15 equals 17. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Therefore, 10 plus 12 equals 22. The answer is 22. Let's try another question. Again, we start with our common solutions. We could add the numbers together. 3 plus 10, but that equals 13 and not 30. Again, we don't move on to the second group until we prove the first group. We could subtract the numbers. 3 minus 10, or 10 minus 3. Again, these do not equal 30. We could divide the numbers. 10 divided by 3, or 3 divided by 10. They do not equal 30. We could multiply the numbers on either side. 3 times 10, well, that equals 30. So let's move on to the second group and try that out. 3 times 9 equals 27. Therefore, the solution is to multiply. The answer is 90. Because 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 9 is 27. Therefore, 10 times 9 is 90. For some questions, the common solutions appear not to work. For these cases, we need to think a bit harder and try out some additional solutions. For example, in the following question, the answer in the third group must relate to the other two in the same way. We need to find the missing number. Let's have a look at this in more detail. We could try our common solutions. Add the numbers on either side. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Clearly that does not work. Subtract the numbers. 4 minus 3, that equals 1, or 3 minus 4, don't equal 15. 4 times 3, that equals 12. 4 divided by 3 is 1.3. None of these equal 15. What we need to do now is use some additional solutions to try and solve the question. We have the same question. We could subtract the numbers on either side, very much similar to our common solution, then add x. X is an unknown number. So let's try this. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 15 minus 1 equals 14. Therefore, 4 minus 3 plus 14 equals 15. We think x is 14. So, moving to the second group, does 5 minus 4 plus 14 equals 17? Clearly not. 5 minus 4 is 1, plus 14 is 15. Therefore, the answer is not 14. Therefore, we know this is not the solution to the question. We could try multiply the numbers on either side. 4 times 3, then subtract x. 4 times 3 is 12. Our answer is 15. Really, subtracting probably does not make sense in this question. We could add the numbers on either side, then double it. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 doubled equals 14. Clearly that doesn't work. We could add the numbers on either side, then add x. So let's try this. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 15 minus 7 is 8. So let's try. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 8 equals 15. We think x is equal to 8. So, moving to the second group, does 5 plus 4 plus 8 equals 17? So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 8 is 17. Yes, x is 8. So apply that to the third group. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 8 equals 16. The answer is 16. Remember, work through the common solutions first, then work through the additional solutions. In most cases, the answer will stare out at you once you've eliminated the obvious. Thank you. You've been watching 11plusdiy.co.uk.